making it in a containerized solution where the space is smaller, you don't have to cool that much, and you can bring that efficiency. The whole room actually is designed off-site, and the construction time on-site is brought down extensively. It's almost plug and play. You drop it in, connect it to the rest of the infrastructure of the data center, and you have an operational room.
Transformers, switchgear, UPSs and related equipment into a piece of equipment, prefabricated, pre-tested and assembled off-site.
On the containerized solution side, there's power pods, e-houses, cooling containers, but also complete IT rooms. And the requests that we got so far are actually a mixture of that.
Mitsubishi Electric has been involved in supercritical industries ranging from nuclear to petrochemical industries, where the same kind of demands for resiliency and availability and reliable operations prevail. We draw on that experience to bring that to bear for the data center.
We've already made several designs for a few big hyperscalers in Europe where we got the feedback. Now the design is usually already 20, 30, 50 or even high density up to 100 kilowatt per rack. We know how data centers are designed and built